Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by selecting the chart, so Excel shows chart tools. This exposes format and design tabs. Once done, click the legend to see which entries correspond to data series, because you will map names to source fields. Make sure your worksheet data is organized and any new series labels are in place. You will edit either the series names or the source table. Doing that first avoids rework during relabeling and keeps axis references intact. Next, open Select Data from the Design tab to edit series. Choose a series and click Edit to change the series name to a cell reference or typed label. Once done, click an individual legend entry to format it. Use the Format pane to change font size, color, and text wrapping so labels don't overlap. If entries don't update, confirm the series still reference the correct cells. If you need custom labels, replace them with explicit cell references to preserve dynamic updates. To finish, reposition the legend using legend options for best readability, then fine-tune text and symbol spacing so viewers instantly understand the series. Once done, change a value in the source table to confirm the legend updates dynamically. This proves you used cell references rather than static text. If the legend disappears or shows wrong entries, toggle it from Chart Elements or open Select Data to reset series definition.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.